Ever wonder why some crypto tokens skyrocket while others crash and disappear? The answer lies in tokenomics, the blueprint behind a token's value, supply, and utility. In this short video, we'll break down what tokenomics is and why it's a make-or-break factor for every crypto project. Welcome to Byte Crypto Academy. Master crypto one byte at a time. New to crypto or just want sharper insights? You're in the right place. Tap subscribe, hit the bell, and let's dive in. So, what exactly is tokenomics? Tokenomics is short for token economics. It refers to the rules and systems that determine how a cryptocurrency token works within its ecosystem. It includes everything from how many tokens are created, to who owns them, to what gives them value. Think of it like the business model behind a crypto project. Just like a country's economy affects its currency, a project's tokenomics affects its token's price and potential. Key elements of tokenomics. Now let's explore the 4 key elements of tokenomics you should understand. 1. Supply. There's maximum supply, the total number of tokens that will ever exist. Bitcoin, for example, has a max supply of 21 million. Then there's circulating supply. How many tokens are currently in the market? The lower the supply and the higher the demand, the higher the potential price. 2. Allocation and distribution. How are tokens distributed? Some tokens are pre-mined and given to early investors, team members, or the community. Watch out for unfair allocations. If one group owns most of the tokens, they could crash the market by selling. Also, look at vesting schedules, which prevent early holders from selling all at once. 3. Utility. What can the token actually do? Can you use it for staking, paying transaction fees, voting on decisions, or accessing services? A token with real utility tends to have more long-term value. 4. Inflation and burning. Lastly, is the token inflationary or deflationary? Inflation means more tokens are being created, which can lower the value. Some projects fight this with token burning, which permanently removes tokens from circulation to reduce supply and increase scarcity. Why tokenomics matters. Tokenomics is one of the most important things to study before you invest in any crypto project. Good tokenomics create long-term value and trust. Bad tokenomics often lead to pump-and-dump schemes or dead projects. Always read the project's white paper and check how the token is structured before you decide to invest. Now you know what tokenomics is and why it's so important in crypto. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Byte Crypto Academy, and hit the bell for more bite-sized crypto lessons. Thanks for watching. Master crypto one byte at a time.